Last year we added the haunted reef to our Halloween haunt. This year we're going to make a entrance facade for it using some more great stuff, technique that we learned from Still B Studios, some bags of bone, and then some just craft foam to build the base for it, and this will go around the entrance. First I'm going to measure the foam around the entry area and then mark it, cut its size, and then we'll build the reef up on it. Here's our top piece. We're going to tape it together and then start building up our reef, coral, and rock on it. This is the top piece. We're going to want to put, some of our bag of bones in here into the rockwork. So we're just going to start laying up the great stuff foam and work this in and see how it goes. I have an array of dark and gray spray paints to cover this. Try to just make it dark and rocky looking, and then I'm going to go back and do dry brushing with lighter grays to sort of highlight it. I'm actually really happy with how that came out with just the different colors of spray paint and the highlights of the foam not fully covered, so don't think I'm going to dry brush this at all and call it good. Mount these, I think what we're going to do is use the hot glue to put a wide strip of ribbon on this and then staple that ribbon to the entryway arch. And these are really light, so that should be enough to hold it for the season, so we'll see how it does. So here's the finished facade in the daylight. We'll come back and show what it looks like at nighttime with all the lights on. This was an addition after Reddit Halloween suggested we add tentacles, so now we have an octopus attacking the skeleton. Everyone's favorite Little Mermaid is back this year, but now it's a full mermaid skeleton, which is a nice addition. Then we have our main beach theme, which has the ghostly spirits at the beach drinking some beer with their hat on. Then we have Pamela Anderson, David Hasselhoff, Baywatch, coming to rescue our surfer that was a shark attack victim riding his surfboard. Coming inside we have our haunted reef with our dangling fish that light up and blub blub sound, and then we have all of our coral and green coral and hands coming out with black light surrounding them. We also have our fog machine with fog chiller, and we'll see that at night.